Okay, I think now we can start chapter 12.4. This section is about surface area as a double integral. So basically what we do is, in this part we calculate the area of a surface. Let me explain the problem. So let's say we have the x, y and z axis. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, and this is the z-axis. Okay, and now we have a surface S. We have some kind of a surface defined on this. So in this part, what we do is we are going to calculate the area of this surface. Okay, let's say equation of this surface is c equals to f of x comma y, and the domain, let's say the domain is domain on the xy plane is, let's say, something like this. So this is your domain D. Okay, now here I am going to consider two things. So general, I am going to consider an area element on the xy plane. This is dA. This is an area element on the xy plane, and correspondingly we are going to consider an area element on this surface. So this surface area element, and usually we denote a surface area element using ds. Now in general, dA, an area element on the xy plane, does not equal to the surface area element ds. Okay, now so let's define the problem. Let S be the part of the surface c equals to f of x comma y on top of the region on top of the domain D. Let's say on top of the domain D in the xy plane. Okay, now so then the surface area of S is given by this equation. So surface area equals to double integral of 1 ds. Now remember, ds is an area element on the surface S. Okay, now this equals to double integral of square root of 1 plus partial f of partial x squared plus partial f of partial y squared dA over the domain D. So this is the way we calculate the surface area. Now, okay, so in this first integral we defined our double integral over the surface S, but here we defined this double integral over the domain D. but the main difference between this section and the previous section is this part. So here we have this extra quantity under the radical sign, which come from the surface. Okay, so next we are going to consider a simple example.